Understanding Docker images.
Docker images are the blueprints for containers. They are static files that contain everything needed to run an application: code, dependencies, libraries, and configuration files. Think of a Docker image as a read-only template. You don't interact directly with images to run applications. Instead, you use them to create containers.
Defining Docker containers.
A Docker container is an instance of a Docker image actually running. Containers are isolated environments where applications execute. Unlike images, containers are dynamic. They start, stop, change, and process data. You can think of a container as a running application based on the image template.
Key differences in function and use.
The main difference, which is a static templates, containers are live processes. Images are created, stored, and shared, providing the foundation for containers. Containers add a writable layer and exist as long as the underlying process runs. You can create many containers from the same image, but each container is its own isolated environment.
How they work together.
Developers first create or download an image. When you launch an application, Docker takes that image and starts a container. This container can then run, be stopped, or deleted, while the image remains unchanged. This separation ensures consistent environments and simplifies software deployment.
Why the distinction matters.
Understanding the difference between images and containers is crucial in container management. Images ensure consistency and portability, while containers provide versatility and isolation. Mastering both concepts helps you build, deploy, and manage applications efficiently using Docker.